In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a statement from Coinbase with your total balance in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're keeping track of your investments or preparing for tax season, having a detailed statement on hand is essential. Let's dive into the simple process that will get you the document you need. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to coinbase.com. Log into your account using your registered email and password. This step ensures you have access to all the features and information tied to your account, including past transactions and balance summaries. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the menu located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this menu and you'll see a variety of options drop down. Here you want to find and select statements. This will lead you to the section where you can generate various reports about your account activity. Now you're in the statements section, it's time to generate your report. You'll be prompted to choose an asset for which you want a statement. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency you are holding. It's important to choose carefully, especially if you're looking at specific investment categories or need detailed information on a single asset. After picking an asset, the next step involves selecting the type of transaction you're interested in. Common types include buys, sells, deposits, or withdrawals. This allows you to customize the report to only include transactions you're interested in reviewing, keeping your statement clutter-free and easy to understand. Next up is choosing the date range. Whether you're interested in last year's activities or simply want to see a monthly snapshot, select the range that best suits your needs. Additionally, decide on the file format that works for your purposes, typically PDF or CSV, both of which are downloadable and easy to store. Now that your parameters are set, you're ready to request the report. Click on the Generate or Create Report button. Once you initiate this request, Coinbase gets to work on preparing your detailed statement. Keep an eye on your email because Coinbase will send a notification to inform you when your report is ready. This usually doesn't take long, but do remember that the report is prepared asynchronously, so you don't need to wait on the website. Once you receive the email notification, click on the link provided to download your report. This link will take you directly to your statement, which will now be ready for you to save or print. And there you have it, a full statement report from Coinbase, complete with all your chosen details. This straightforward process ensures you can keep track of your transactions and balance with ease, leaving you informed and prepared for any financial reporting or personal monitoring you might need. Thank you for watching and happy investing.